Have you ever found yourself thinking about a woman who seems distant, uninterested, or maybe even completely out of reach? What if I told you there's a way to flip the script and make her miss you so badly that she can't stop thinking about you? Whether she's losing interest or you're just looking to leave a lasting impression, this video is going to dive into the secrets of making any woman miss you, even if she's not interested right now. How to make any woman miss you badly. Even if she's not interested, the first step to making a woman miss you is to understand the power of absence. Think about it. We often take for granted what's constantly available to us. By strategically creating some distance, you're allowing her to feel what life is like without you. This isn't about playing games. It's about giving her the space to appreciate you. Here's how you do it. Pull back just enough to make her notice. If you're constantly texting or calling, dial it back. Let her be the one to initiate contact sometimes. When you're not around, she'll start to miss the attention and energy you bring to her life. Women are naturally attracted to men who keep them on their toes. If she can predict your every move, she'll lose interest quickly. So, the second step is to become a bit unpredictable. This doesn't mean being unreliable, but rather add a little mystery to your interactions. For instance, if you usually reply to her messages immediately, take a little longer to respond now and then. Or, if you typically hang out on weekends, suggest something spontaneous midweek. These little changes keep her guessing and thinking about you, wondering what you'll do next. The third step is all about self-improvement. When you're thriving and growing, you become more attractive. It's that simple. Focus on your own goals, hobbies, and passions. When a woman sees that you're driven and working on yourself, she'll start to miss the excitement and ambition you bring to the table. Don't just talk about what you're doing, show it. Post about your achievements, share your progress, but don't overdo it. Let her see that you're doing just fine, even better without her constant attention. Trust me, this will make her think twice about what she's missing out on. Flirtation is an art, and when done right, it can leave her wanting more. Subtle, light-hearted flirting can create a tension that makes her think about you long after the conversation ends. The key is to keep it light, make her smile, tease her a little, but don't overdo it. Drop a compliment here and there, but don't be too obvious. Maybe tell her something like, "You know, I was just thinking about how much fun it is talking with you." Leave it at that. This kind of subtlety will leave her curious and wanting more. Finally, the most important step, cultivate a life that's full and fulfilling, with or without her. When a woman sees that you're content and happy on your own, it creates a magnetic pull. You're not desperate or needy. You're someone who's worth missing. Go out with friends, pursue your interests, and most importantly, have fun. When you're genuinely enjoying life, she'll notice. And that's when the fear of missing out kicks in. She'll start wondering why she's not a part of this exciting life you're living. Making a woman miss you isn't about playing mind games. It's about creating a genuine connection that leaves a lasting impression. By understanding the power of absence, being unpredictable, focusing on self-improvement, mastering subtle flirtation, and cultivating a life of your own, you can turn the tables and have her missing you like crazy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the key to making her miss you is to always be the best version of yourself, even when she's not around. See you in the next video. Subscribe, watch more videos.